Hey everyone, we all want to feel our best, right? Real change often starts with simple steps, literally. Discover how a daily walk can be your secret weapon to a healthier, happier you. In this video, we're diving into 10 amazing health benefits of walking daily. We're not talking about marathon training here, just a commitment to putting one foot in front of the other and reaping the incredible rewards. From boosting your heart health and elevating your mood to torching calories and strengthening your muscles, daily walks are a natural and accessible way to transform your well-being. So lace up those sneakers, and let's step into a healthier life together. Let's talk about your heart, the engine that keeps you going. Daily walking is like a tune-up for your cardiovascular system. With every step, you're strengthening your heart muscle, improving blood circulation, and lowering your risk of heart disease. Walking helps your arteries stay flexible, allowing blood to flow more easily. This means your heart doesn't have to work as hard, reducing your blood pressure and improving overall heart health. Walking can also help improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve heart rate variability. Beyond the physical, walking can be a meditative experience, reducing stress and boosting your mood. So, whether you're starting your journey to a healthier heart or maintaining its vitality, remember that every step you take is a step in the right direction. Make walking a non-negotiable part of your routine, and your heart will thank you for it. Feeling stressed, anxious, or down? The answer might be right outside your door. Walking isn't just good for your body, it works wonders for your mind too. When you walk, your brain releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that have powerful mood-lifting effects. They act as natural antidepressants and stress relievers, helping to chase away the blues and leave you feeling more positive and energized. Walking also provides a much-needed break from the daily grind. It's a chance to step away from screens, de-stress, and clear your head. As you walk, you might find that your worries seem to melt away, replaced by a sense of calm and clarity. If you can, take your walk outdoors. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can further enhance the mood-boosting benefits of exercise. The fresh air, the sounds of nature, the feeling of the sun on your skin, it all contributes to a sense of peace and well-being. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, lace up your shoes and head out for a walk. Even a short 10-minute stroll can make a world of difference. Let's be real, managing weight can be a challenge. But what if I told you that something as simple as walking could be your secret weapon? You don't need complicated diets or grueling workouts to see results. Walking is a fantastic way to burn calories and boost your metabolism, helping you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Think of it this way, every step you take is a step towards your weight goals. It might not feel as intense as a high-impact workout, but don't underestimate the power of consistency. Those daily steps add up, leading to significant calorie expenditure over time. Walking is accessible to almost everyone. You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership to get started. Just lace up your shoes and go. Increase the intensity by adding hills to your route or incorporating intervals of brisk walking. By incorporating daily walks into your routine, you're making a sustainable choice for your health and well-being. Think walking is just a leisurely activity? Think again. It's a fantastic way to build strength and tone your muscles, especially in your legs and core. With every step you take, you're engaging a complex network of muscles in your lower body. Your calves propel you forward, your quads and hamstrings power each stride, and your glutes stabilize your hips. The result? Stronger, more sculpted legs that not only look great but also support your overall mobility and balance. Walking also engages your core muscles. As you walk, your abdominal muscles work to stabilize your body and maintain good posture. And don't underestimate the power of those arm swings. Swinging your arms as you walk helps to engage your upper body muscles. To really amp up the strength-building benefits, try adding some hills to your walking route. Walking uphill creates more resistance, forcing your muscles to work harder and leading to even greater strength gains. Walking is a powerful tool that can help you sculpt a stronger, more resilient body from the inside out. Feeling overwhelmed by the daily grind? Walking isn't just good for your body, it's a powerful antidote to stress. Think of it as a moving meditation, a chance to clear your head and calm your nerves. Stress releases hormones like cortisol. Chronic stress can harm your health. Walking helps counteract these effects. It releases endorphins, natural stress relievers. They reduce cortisol, easing tension. Walking provides a mental break. Focus on your steps and scenery to de-stress. Green spaces further reduce stress and improve mood. Even a short stroll can make a world of difference. Tossing and turning at night? A daily walk might be the key to unlocking restful sleep. Walking regulates your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Exposure to daylight helps calibrate your internal clock. Walking can improve the depth and quality of your sleep. By reducing stress, walking promotes better sleep. Lace up your shoes and make walking a part of your daily routine. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Feeling sluggish and drained? Put down the energy drinks and lace up your shoes. Walking is a natural and effective way to boost your energy levels, combat fatigue, and feel more alive throughout the day. You might be surprised to learn that exercise, even moderate intensity activities like walking, can actually increase your energy levels. Walking improves your cardiovascular health, which means your heart becomes more efficient at pumping oxygen-rich blood throughout your body, including your brain and muscles. When your cells receive an ample supply of oxygen, they produce more energy, leaving you feeling revitalized and ready to tackle the day. Walking also helps to improve your mood, reduce stress, and promote better sleep, all of which contribute to increased energy levels. Unlike the quick fix of caffeine or sugary snacks, the energy boost you get from walking is sustainable and long-lasting. So the next time you're feeling that afternoon slump approaching, take a brisk walk around the block or head out for a longer stroll in the park. As we age, maintaining healthy joints becomes increasingly important. The good news is that walking is a fantastic way to support joint health, reduce pain and stiffness, and keep you moving with ease. Walking is considered a low-impact exercise, which means it's gentle on your joints compared to high-impact activities like running or jumping. When you walk, you're helping to lubricate the cartilage in your joints, which acts as a cushion between the bones, preventing them from rubbing together and causing pain and inflammation. Walking also strengthens the muscles that surround and support your joints. Stronger muscles provide better stability and shock absorption, reducing stress on your joints and protecting them from injury. Regular, moderate-intensity exercise has been shown to reduce pain, improve range of motion, and enhance overall joint function. Whether you're looking to prevent future joint problems or manage existing ones, make walking a non-negotiable part of your routine. Your joints will thank you for it. Feeling stuck in a creative rut? The answer might be right outside your door. Walking isn't just good for your body. It can also unlock your creative potential and help you tap into a wellspring of fresh ideas. Some of history's greatest thinkers and artists were avid walkers. From Beethoven to Steve Jobs, walking has long been recognized as a powerful catalyst for creativity and problem-solving. When you walk, your mind is free to wander, untethered from the distractions of daily life. As you stroll through your neighborhood or immerse yourself in nature, your subconscious mind gets to work, making new connections and generating fresh insights. Walking also helps to reduce stress and anxiety, which can stifle creativity. Walking increases blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain, enhancing cognitive function, improving memory, and boosting overall mental clarity. The next time you're facing a creative block or simply looking for a fresh perspective, lace up your shoes and head out for a walk. We all want to live longer, healthier lives, right? Well, the secret to longevity might be as simple as putting one foot in front of the other. Walking has been linked to a longer lifespan and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular physical activity, including walking, is associated with a lower risk of developing chronic conditions such as heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, and even Alzheimer's disease. Walking strengthens your heart, improves blood circulation, helps regulate blood sugar levels, boosts your immune system, and reduces inflammation throughout your body. By addressing these key risk factors, walking helps to protect you from a wide range of chronic diseases that can shorten your lifespan. Walking also enhances your quality of life as you age. It keeps you mobile, independent, and engaged with the world around you. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to add years to your life and life to your years, make walking a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Your future self will thank you for it. So there you have it, 10 amazing health benefits of walking daily that can transform your life one step at a time. If you're ready to make positive changes with minimal effort, don't miss out. Lace up those sneakers and start walking your way to a healthier, happier you. Remember, every step counts, and consistency is key. Even a short walk is better than no walk at all. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.